你最喜欢喝什么？
Listen to the dialogue.
你最喜欢喝什么？
我最喜欢喝咖啡。你呢？
我最喜欢喝橙汁。
Let us learn how to use the most.
最
is a commonly used word in Mandarin Chinese.
最
Means most or extreme. It is commonly used to indicate the highest degree or level of something. Observe the following words and look for similarities. You can see that
最
is often combined with other characters to convey specific meanings related to the superlative form of adjectives or adverbs. Let's see this structure. Subject plus
最
plus adjectives and verbs. The verb must be an auxiliary verb or a mental verb, such as
喜欢想
example. There are 3 people here. Who is the tallest? Yes,
小明
is the tallest. When you want to express that
小明
is the tallest of the 3, you can use
最
Let's make this sentence.
小明最高小明最高
Let's go back to the previous picture. Who is the shortest? Yes,
小王
is the shortest. Try to complete the sentence with
最
I believe you can do it.
小王最矮小王最矮
Example 2. Look at the picture. Here are 3 kinds of fruits that
小王
likes. Which fruit is his favorite? Yes,
小王
likes watermelon best. When you want to express that watermelon is
小王
favorite fruit, you can use
最
Let's make this sentence.
小王最喜欢西瓜
小王最喜欢西瓜。
Let's review the structure and do some exercises together. Try to say 2 sentences based on this picture. Yes,
西瓜最大草莓最小西瓜最大草莓最小
let's practice one more. Try to say a sentence based on this picture. Right.
小明最喜欢红色小明最喜欢红色
New words.
咖啡，咖啡，橙汁，橙汁，
More drinks.
果汁，果汁，西瓜汁，西瓜汁。 可乐，可乐，水，水，柠檬水，柠檬水，苏打水，苏打水，啤酒，啤酒，红酒，红酒，白酒，白酒，